Hello guys, today I will show you how you search Google by image. For this you type here or you can type here Google image search. Just click here and then you click image Google. Now you can see this option here, search by image. Then click this icon and now you upload a file which image you use for search. Click here and I select this image and now open. Now you can see the result here. You can see the similar image Google show you as a result. So this way you can search your image in Google. So if this video is helpful for you, then like this video and subscribe this channel.